Phases of the moon. Okay. Phases of the moon is different movement shapes of the moon during a month. Karon na tayo 8 na phases of the moon. First is new moon. Princess, pagkabasa ang new moon. New moon is when the moon is all dark and located between the earth and the sun. Okay, ang new moon daw ay modo na siya ang dark na moon na dito na tumakitan sa between sa sun and the earth. So, nara ang new moon. Next is crescent moon. Okay, Jen, pagkabasa.
Crescent moon is when the moon is in between new moon and quarter moon stages appears to be partly but less than one half illuminated. When the moon's light is increasing, it's called waxing crescent. When it's decreasing, it's waning crescent.
Okay. So, natay ito types of moon, which is the waxing and waning crescent. Karon, ang waxing crescent, jadi anak ma, it-add. So, kuhaan siya sunod siya sa new moon. And the 3A is about siya sa new moon, which is the waning crescent. And next is quarter moon. Okay. Okay, Leila, pagbasa.
Quarter moon is when half the moon is visible. If the moon's light is visible, it's called first quarter. If it is waning, it's called the last quarter.
Okay. So, 3A natay first and last quarter. 3A sa last quarter kay ang 3A niya is light. Ang 3A ay dark. While ang sa first quarter kay baliktad. 3A kay so dapat baliktad din, sorry class. Dapat baliktad din siya. Dapat ang 3A light and then as walay light. Okay, walay light. And next is Gibbous moon. Okay, princess.
Gibbous moon is between the quarter and full moon stages. Appears to be more than one half but not full illuminated. If the moon's light is increasing, it is called waxing gibbous. And if it is decreasing, it's called waning gibbous.
Okay, 3A natin ang gibbous, which is the waxing and waning gibbous. So dito ang waning crescent, 3A ay waning gibbous. 3A is dako ang dark. But 3A sa waning gibbous is dako ang light. 3A sa waxing crescent, dako dapat ang black, but 3A ang light niya. Ang 3A ang iyang black, ang 3A ang light. 6 is waxing. So, also tayo possible sa waxing. Waxing means to increase gradually in size and in use to describe the moon's light as it goes from new to full moon. So, 3A. Okay. So, di ba kung may ang waxing? Waxing. Di ang waxing crescent and then ang waxing gibbous. Ang dako 3A is dark and dako 3A is light. Ang waning kay means decrease gradually in size and in use to describe the moon's light as it gets smaller from full moon to new moon. O sa ganito ang 8 phases of the moon.
New moon, crescent moon,
Yes, crescent moon, cases of and now, nasabta na ninyo ang topic ang nagawa?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, kaya nasabta naman ninyo. Ituto na mo all groups are tasked to draw and arrange the faces of the moon orderly. Kaya ganyan na, nakita naman ninyo dito ang lunar cycle, diba? Yes, nabasa na po ninyo ang iyang meaning o nakabala na po no? Asa tayo po mag-start ang new month o asa ito mag-end, okay? Okay, dali ang group 1. Okay, group 1. And the group 2. Speak of like, like, drawing na ninyo ko na, di ba? Yes. Di ba nakabalo naman mo kung saan kasunod?
Yes, teacher!
Yes.
Yes, teacher!
Okay, drawing mo siya.
What is that?
Yes. Yes, bakit si Ayan? At yan ko lang, Ayan, ano po? Kung makumana mo, i-quiz lang yun na sa okay? Select all students na represent sa inyong work. Since nalang sila, hindi na siya differentiated. Okay? Please na dito yung wala sa sujet kay kapit na siya. Okay, wala siya. Sige, paste na Jet. Okay, Jet. Ikaw man malaki, ikaw ang mag-sense. Represent ang kuma, yung drawing. Basta ka rin mga drawing, Jet.
About the drawing teacher, 8 phases of moon. Una is last quarter.
Yes.
Second is winning views. Second is winning competition. Boxing views in first quarter. Boxing present, winning competition, and winning present.
Okay, nagala ka very good job si Jen. Okay? Tanong niyo ang trabaho. Students, very good job. equator and moon and looks like a bunker. Sometimes it is waxy and waning. What do you call this phase of the moon? Huh? Yes, crescent. Waxy crescent and waning crescent. Okay, very good. So we continue. This phase is frequently named the half moon. It is between Venus and crescent moon. What phase of the moon is? First and last. Okay, first and last moon. Okay, continue. Okay, stand up. This phase is between the quarter and full moon stages. More than half of the moon can be seen. It is sometimes waxy and waning. What do you call this main phase of the moon? Okay, you have moon. Very good. Nakasagot na mo sa ako ang topic.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, o kami nakasagot naman mo na ako ihatag sa inyo ma. Okay, directions. Read the following questions carefully and circle the correct answer. Please, tinakot pa rin ha. Okay, wala mo? Dali agad. Nakasabot ko daan mo. Wala ka. Okay, mana. Karon, natin assignment. Okay, directions. Draw the different phases of the moon shown below, then arrange them in their order of appearance around the earth. Okay, copy it in your assignment notebook.
Mana, teacher.
Okay, mana. Okay. Ang ibusan na